Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just click on the Windows icon and then in the search bar just type Control Panel. And after that choose mouse. If you don't find it here, just you can type on the search bar mouse and then click here mouse. Yes, and you can see here the speed. If it's near slow, just drag it to fast. And after that here, click wheel and here roll the wheel on notch to scroll, and the following number here I have at the time is 3, and here for the horizontal scrolling 3, and it's work fine for me. But if it doesn't work good for you, then you can increase it to 5 or 6. For example, here you make it 4. After that click 4 and here, okay, let's say 5 and 5. After that click OK and see how does it work. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.